That's a long walk. I just did it. And the best thing I found so far, I think I got myself a file. Old iron file. Busted, of course. Most likely. Alright. Well, harvest season's almost up. I think he's got last harvest planted here. And he's starting to pick apples from what I can see. And woot woot. We're going to have some open land soon. Awesome. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta fill my hole. See it. That's interesting. Something different. It's not a key or nothing, but it's kind of cool. A little spiral there. Goes in and locks down somehow. Yeah, probably part of the trick. Pretty neat though. Alright, gotta find another hole. See it. Windy day today. I'm out in the farm field. Of course. This place is just too big for one person to explore. But I did find a hole, and there was something in the bottom of it. And when I flipped everything out, I seen it. And I think it's round. It's way back over here in the corner. Right here. I'm getting a little excited. Kind of seems heavy, but I don't think it's a coin. No, it's not. What is that? I can't tell. It's got a big hunk of metal on the back. Let me clean this up real quick. Yeah, it's no coin. Aww. Give me a sec. I don't know what that is. That had me awful excited. Kind of plug or something. I don't know. It's got some weight to it. Not lead type weight, but it's got some weight to it. Yep, let me keep swinging around. Maybe I can find the other parts of it. Welcome back. Dang, that got me excited. Whew. Gotta go. Hey diggers, another hole. I already seen it and I threw it down. I got so excited, I got me a first. I believe this is one of those toe taps. I do believe. Ooh. I hope. I gotta clean her all up. But I believe that's definitely what that is. Got all the little holes in the bottom. Alright. Sweet. I'll have to clean her all out. Very nice. This little area here has a ton of nails. So I'm just taking my time. I'm going to go through it. He's got some other parts that he just got done harvesting. So I'm going to start hitting his fields again hard. Because apparently there's still stuff here. Old stuff. Very nice. Alright. Welcome back. I got the Patriot today. And she never disappoints. Never disappoints. Awesome. Alright, see you at the next. Hey diggers! Whoa, you're upside down. Whoa, maybe that works. I don't know. Hey diggers! Give me a little round ball. Brings up with his iron though. I'm not quite sure that's lead. It's heavy though. It's got some weight to it. Very neat. I don't see a sprue anywhere. Oh, maybe. Maybe right there. Very cool. Alright, gotta go. Find another hole. See ya. Hey, I think we got another piece of a lantern. They're rung up in the 50s. Pretty sure that's what it is. Have to clean it up later. Well, looks like it's definitely been pushed around by the plow for a few years. So, all right, well, we're on the right track. Okay, see you at the next. Shotgun shell. It's getting a little dark out. I'm gonna head my way back up. Call it a hunt. Alright. Alright, guys. See ya. Hey diggers, quick wrap up, quick farm field hunt. That was a blast. I love these. I can't believe how many lantern pieces I found up there. Maybe it's just one lantern that's been plowed over the years, but boy, seems to be a lot of them. What are these? I have no clue, but boy, this one got me so excited. When I seen it on the ground, I just thought that lump was just a piece of dirt on it. I thought this was a round coin, and yeah, it is what it is, a plug or something. But kind of neat. Maybe it goes with this. Another sort of lock plug goes in and locks down. Probably both off some kind of a tractor. But we did find a couple old things. I found myself another musket ball. Woot woot. Kind of see where the sprue is. Very neat. It is definitely lead. I don't know why it rang up as iron. But hey, it is what it is. We saved it. And lastly, I got a first. I love these little things. I've never found one. Always seen everyone else find one. Little toe protector, toe tap, whatever they call them. Basically, they just go on the front of the shoe and hold the bottom to the top, kind of like gives it extra support other than just stitching. And yeah, very neat. Kind of looks small too. Maybe it was from a kid. Who knows? Don't know how big these guys are. It's my first one I've ever found. So very neat, very neat. All right, guys, thanks for watching. It was a fun hunt. Hey, like, subscribe, and you never know what we're going to find next. Got another musket ball, but I got a toe tap. Woo! Keep smiling. Keep digging life. See ya.